Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of bubbles. What seems like mere play is backed by interesting science.
Did you know that the science of bubbles is called cavitation? It's a branch of fluid dynamics that studies the behavior of gas bubbles. Bubbles form when gas is trapped in a liquid film. This illusion is crafted by surface tension, which pulls the liquid into a spherical shape.
The largest bubble ever recorded was over 2 meters wide. That's about the height of a toddler.
Bubbles can also be used to reduce friction in mechanical systems. They help lubricate moving parts in some engines. Interestingly, soap bubbles are not just fun. They can also be used to demonstrate scientific principles such as light interference.
In 1940, physicist Robert Hooke published Micrographia, a book discussing the use of soap films. His findings added to our understanding of light. Did you know that colors you see in a soap bubble are a result of thin film interference? Light waves reflect off the inner and outer surfaces of the bubble.
Bubbles are naturally spherical because a sphere has the least surface area for a given volume, minimizing potential energy.
The average bubble can last for about 10 minutes in good conditions, but factors like temperature and humidity can greatly affect their lifespan.
Bubblegum was invented in 1928, but the first commercial bubble-blowing gum was introduced by Walter Deemer.
You might have noticed that bubbles appear to be hollow, but they are actually made of 3 layers: the air inside and 2 layers of liquid.
Have you ever wondered why we see bubbles rising in a drink? That's because bubbles are less dense than the liquid they are in.
In the culinary world, bubbles are crucial. They contribute to the texture of whipped cream and meringue.
Bubbles in a non-Newtonian fluid behave differently than in water. They can pop at various volumes because the fluid's viscosity changes based on stress.
In Russia, bubble performances have emerged. They showcase incredible bubble artistry, some reaching impressive sizes.
The bubble effect is used in skincare products. It helps deliver ingredients deeper into the skin.
Historically, bubbles have been a source of entertainment. They date back to 4,500 years to the ancient Sumerians who made soap from ash and plant oils.
Ever heard of the bubble theory in astrophysics? It describes how energy states might create bubbles during cosmic events.
Doctors have even used bubbles in medical imaging. Ultrasound imaging relies on bubbles to provide better visibility.
To create the perfect bubble solution, mix water, dish soap, and a touch of corn syrup. The syrup helps stabilize the bubbles.
Bubbles can hold memories. The iconic bubble wrap was originally designed as a 3D wallpaper.
Some bubbles are bioluminescent, thanks to tiny organisms called dinoflagellates. They light up when disturbed, creating a glowing effect.
Bubbles make music. When they burst, they create sound waves, leading to unique musical instruments like bubble squeak sounds.
More than a fun plaything, bubbles also serve a purpose in art. Artists have explored bubble patterns in their creative expressions.
In 1930, the bubble generator was invented, used primarily in scientific experiments to generate bubbles with precision. Bubbles can help reduce pollution. In wastewater treatment, they assist in separating contaminants from water.
Bubbles have cultural significance too. They symbolize joy and celebration in many cultures around the world.
When it comes to different sizes, small bubbles rise more easily than larger ones due to differences in buoyancy and surface tension.
Giant soap bubbles have been artistically created in various festivals, showcasing their majestic, colorful forms.
What's more intriguing is that bubbles can perform quantum behaviors, making them a topic of ongoing research.
Bubbles have influenced various technological advancements, including the design of airbags in cars.
Have you noticed how certain soap products make more bubbles than others? That's due to their surfactant content, which affects bubble formation.
Learn about bubbleology, a field of study exploring various properties and phenomena associated with bubbles.
Thanks for watching this exploration of the stunning world of bubbles. Discover how something so simple brings joy and teaches science every day.